AVSnap allows you to make objects by adjusting transparency level. This simple technique provides a way of identifying which objects have transparency settings changed. This can be useful when transparency is accidentally changed and printing is switched to bitmap mode. In this lesson, we will learn how to do that. First of all, create a rectangle and fill it with blue color. Then, adjust transparency settings to 50% in order to identify that this rectangle is transparent. Double-click left mouse button when the cursor is on the transparency box. All transparent objects will be highlighted in yellow. Now, when you print pages with transparent objects, a preview window automatically displays all transparent objects and printing is switched to bitmap mode. AVSnap allows you to make objects by adjusting transparency level.